one of the most effective ways to get better at a movement is using a ladder. So a common problem that people have is struggling with pull-ups or chin-ups. So here's what a ladder is. You do 1 rep, rest for 30 seconds. 2 reps, rest for 30 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Work your way up to that ladder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're gonna take a 90-second rest and then repeat the ladder 3 to 5 times. So a ladder, what it does, allows you to execute a movement with perfect form. You see, when you start to do exercises, when you're fatigued, when you're tired, when you're pushing really hard, if you're not great at the exercise, you're probably actually going to ingrain poor movement patterns. That can lead to issues in terms of hitting a plateau later on, or worse, injuries. So, ladders are a great way to practice perfect form to reinforce optimal technique. Once that technique is nailed down, then you can start to add different variations to be able to build more muscle, focus on strength, focus on local muscular endurance. So when you're doing a ladder, what you should do would be, let's say you have an exercise you can do 6 to 12 reps with, then I would look at doing a ladder 1 to 5. So here's a quick example. I'm not going to use the full rest. Rest for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds, then 5. And voila. So in a case like this, let's say I could only do 6 pull-ups. If I would take this into the optimal rest, it's going to allow great form. It's going to allow recovery in between each rep for better rep quality. And then essentially, using that example of 6, I've just done 15 reps with something I would normally only be able to do 6 reps with. It's got a little bounce back effect now. It's catching me up after leg day. But your big takeaway here, a ladder. 1, rest. 2, rest. 3, rest. 4, rest. 5. Take a longer rest, 90 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Give that a shot.